Do you need money? If your answer to this question is yes, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can apply for a $10,000 grant. If this project is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Of course, when I mention grants, of course, by now you should know that I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. This is a $10,000 grant powered by, I'm going to spill the tea, who is giving us this grant in the course of today's video. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to this channel. Go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you. Don't forget, this is the grants channel. I'm your grants queen, and it's all about free money that you're not paying back. Yes, this is a $10,000 grants powered by watch out. So to all of my Patreon members, thank you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free consultation. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. And of course, I share a lot of grants with my Patreon community, grants that don't even make it here to this channel. So if you're seeing this gorgeous queen for the very first time, I know I'm gorgeous and I know I'm hyper. Yes, my name is Miriam. Go ahead and introduce yourself too. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week: Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, when it comes to everything money. You know, I know money is actually everywhere, but you need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. In today's video, let's just get right into the business for today. How to apply for this $10,000 grants that you are not paying back. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, have you heard about the Olga Loizon Memorial Foundation grants? I bet you have not. And just in case you're wondering, one of the main advantages of seeking out grants for your startup is that it can provide you with access to funding that you wouldn't have been able to get, yes, through other means. And if you're able to successfully secure a grant, it can give you the financial boost that you need to get your business up and running. Additionally, grants can actually help you to build credibility for your startup because it shows that you've been able to secure funding from external sources. Just so you know, the mission of the Olga grants is to provide assistance to aspiring women entrepreneurs who exemplify the same passion and ambition and vision as Olga Loizon, the pioneer and founder of Olga's Kitchen. Just so you know, here is how they will select their recipients. All applicants will be required to complete an application on the Olga's website. Incomplete applications will not be processed. Following the submission deadline, their foundation team will review each application for eligibility. Grants are available up to $10,000. You know, you can actually move your business forward by submitting your business plan to become the next business to receive a grant from the Olga Loizon Memorial Foundation. Just so you know, Olga was a pioneer for women in business, and she persevered through every obstacle to create one of Metro Detroit's most iconic restaurant concepts, Olga's Kitchen. In honor of Olga's Loizon and her legacy, Team Skoltak Family Restaurants have founded the Olga Loizon Memorial Foundation, and the foundation focuses on entrepreneurial women who would be unable to attain the resources necessary to start a business or otherwise continue with their business development. And here is the eligibility criteria. Number 1, you must identify as a woman. And number 2, you must be able to write a personal statement demonstrating financial need, and you must be able to provide a formal business plan. Now, on the application form, here is what you need to input: your name, your phone number, your cover letter, your business plan. It is required. And guess what? That's about it. It is simple and straightforward. And this is why I always ask you, a lot of people ask me in the comments, how do you apply for these grants? I don't know how to apply for grants. But have you clicked on the application form? Have you? I bet the answer is no. Go ahead and click on the application form. You already see the questions are there. Fill it out, and that's all. See, a lot of grants don't even require any complicated story or anything too serious. Just be you, just be yourself. They need you to put the words in your sentences in your own words. Put in your application in your own words. You don't need any serious, software to write your grant application for you. go ahead and apply for these grants. And even if you think you don't qualify, still go ahead and apply. I have done the heavy lifting for you guys by doing all the research and sharing with you guys right here on this channel. Go ahead and apply and make me proud. I want to see a lot of grant winners emerge right here on this channel. And as a matter of fact, I've also won grants before. It is super easy. If I can win grants, you can win grants too. It's not rocket science, and it's not a big deal. So go ahead, go to the link in my description and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. I want to see a lot of you guys emerge as winners, grants winners here on this channel. Do not forget to also like and share this video. If you have not liked this video, people, like this video and do well to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share with your enemies, your village members, your choir members, and what have you. The whole idea is for all of us to win, not just win, but for all of us to win real big. And of course, I'm rooting for every single one of you. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can apply for the Olga Loizon Foundation grant. Yes. So go ahead and apply today, even if you think that you do not qualify. And this is why I always implore you guys, please, if you have a business idea, just go ahead and register your business idea. Don't even wait. Don't overthink it. Just apply. You never know, you can be the next grant winner. Go ahead and register your small business today, because when you do that, you're setting up yourself up for greater successes and opportunities, for your business. So go ahead and register your business today. Even if you don't have it all, mapped out yet, but at least you know what you want to do. You know the kind of business that you want to go into. Go ahead and register your business today. I mean, I'm rooting for you. If you have any questions for me, ask your questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you want me to do a research along to your specification or your profession, also let me know in the comments. I'm working for you guys. I slept at 3:30 a.m. last night researching grants that will help you guys become a better version of yourself. I remain your girl Mariah. And on this note, I am signing out. But before then, I want to say a big thank you once again to all my Patreon members. You guys are amazing. Thank you. You guys rock. Like, you guys are the best. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, just note it's on period. You can book a free consultation with me and you have direct access to me one-on-one. Yes, we can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. And there you have it, guys. Applying for grants is easier than you think. All it takes for you is to go ahead, go to the link in my description and apply for these grants. Simple and straightforward. It's as simple as A, B, and C, or 1, 2, and 3. I've done all the heavy lifting by doing the research for you guys, and I'll continue to do the research for you guys, because I share 3 videos every week on this channel: Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Lots of them, majority of them, borders around grants videos. And if you want to see more of grants videos on this channel, let me know in the comments. Your wish is my command. I'm working for you guys. But if you want to see more of how to make money online, let me know as well in the comments. Whatever you want is what I want. I'm okay with it. So yeah, go ahead and ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And that's it for today, guys. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, God is watching you. Go ahead and introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? What do you do for a living? And how did you find my video? I'm curious. I'm nosy like that. So go ahead and let me know. And I'll be more than happy to, welcome you to the group, to the family. Please note, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Yes. Together, we can help everyone take our dreams to the next level. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Forward this video to your friends. Share with your village members, your church members, your mosque members, your parapet members, and one of you. So guys, I'm waiting to read from you in the comments. Let me know just exactly what your name is, where you are watching from, what do you do for a living, how did you find my video, and what of you. Whatever information you also want me to know about you, let me know in the comments. I'm here to welcome you to the club. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead and watch my previous videos and apply for those grants. Yes, a lot of them are actually available on a rolling basis. They never expire. So go to my previous videos and watch all the videos. And of course, go ahead and check this video right here.